Hi, I'm Pablo.
And I'm Fair.
And we are Cafe Collection Travel. And today we are in Cairo, Egypt.
And we have a special appearance for you to see.
This is our best friend in Cairo, Ahmed.
Ciao ragazzi, come state? Adesso siamo in diretta con i miei amici, il nostro amico Pablo e la nostra principessa Bernarda. Siamo qui al Cairo, grande saluto dal Cairo e vi aspetto per venire qui. We are welcome guys to come here, okay?
Yes.
And we can see a lot of places.
Oh yeah, the Egyptian tower is right there.
The Egyptian Tower, Nile River, Ahmed, our friend.
And Ahmed, our friend, he not only speaks beautiful Italian, but he's an Egyptian, and we are at his house, so he's hosting us. So it's pretty amazing to be able to be with locals and enjoy all of the local things to do here in Egypt.
See you guys later.
Ciao.
Ciao. So guys, we are in the what's called the neighborhood of Zamalek.
Zamalek.
Zamalek? Okay.
He's laughing at us.
And this is the place where our friend Ahmed said that the rich people, the rich tourists live here. A lot of art galleries.
And the expats as well. There's the embassies and art museums.
Nigerian embassy, Brazilian embassy, Peruvian embassy, Spanish embassy.
Yeah. And there's also a lot of restaurants, so this is a nice area to visit that not a lot of the tourists come.
Yep. So it looks like this. So today's holiday, there's a lot of stuff closed.
Like
Gallery, jewelry.
from Nubian people. It's my friend.
Oh, he's your friend?
Yes.
Oh, here we go. Hey guys, so far we're loving Egypt. Our host is super nice and he took us all the way to downtown. We had a great time at the Nile River. We bought a few things, so each dollar here is about 17.5 Egyptian pounds, so your dollar here goes a long way. We just bought water, some spaghetti, fruits. We spent about maybe less than $4.
And then on the other hand, we went to this other place where we had coffee and a snack, and it was $3.50, but that was in the rich neighborhood.
Yeah.
So it all depends where you go. So then really your money goes a long way.
Yeah. Ahmed said the coffee that I bought was very expensive. I bought a coffee and plus something to eat. I spent $3, and he said it was very expensive. So now they're super nice. They invited us to go to his house and eat dinner with his mom. His mom was cooking.
Yeah.
Right.
So that should be very exciting.
Yeah. So they're doing their Ramadan, and now they're gonna do the breakfast, which is what time? 6:50, 6:30.
Yeah.
Right?
We're late.
So we're late. We're gonna go down. We're gonna see if they let us record this. Okay. All right. So let's go there.
No. Hi.
ازيك for men. ازيك for women.
Say it again.
ازيك for women. ازيك for women.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
Zayak for men and Zayak.
يلا بقى كده.
What is this?
عديت الورقه القلم كلها يا مرقه والفراخ. دي الشوربه.
Thunder. I love
Oh nice.
اهو. باميه بصي. دي باميه.
Bamia.
دي شوربه.
Shorba.
لسان عصفور. سلطه. تصوروا ايه؟ حطي بقى انت.
قلت لك
يلا حطي بقى. نباتي.
I'm okay.
Yes.
انت بتاكلي فراخ؟
Yeah?
كلي فراخ.
You can eat you.
بس كلي فراخ.
Me too. Me too.
No, I can eat too.
يا فتحي قسم لي شويه
لسان عصفور.
يلا المغرب هيبدا.
We have to thank you guys for inviting us here. Thank you so much. Shukran.
طلعوا خدوا.
Thank you.
طلعوا في الاطباق.
Okay.
ويقول لك انا
This is
حطي شويه.
specially juice,
Oh, it's grape juice.
not strawberry. I am samr
Oh nice.
and kerkade.
No, it's okay. We need to learn how to talk in Arabic.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Shukran.
Shukran.
لا اللي عايز يشرب بقى العصير الباقي جوه. اللي ياخد من ده ياخد وادي تمر هندي كمان اهو.
Ben, how's the food?
Amazing.
Did you eat a lot?
I did, but I'm so full.
Right, Ahmed. You see, he goes to the gym.
Here, the
Chicken.
whole thing.
Yes, look. Like pregnant. I don't know how, but it's okay. I'm full too.
He goes down. He goes down.
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And what about you?
I'm great. I ate a lot.
Oksana Moldavia. Oksana,
So, he forgot my name and he calls me Oksana to his mom, and his mom is calling me Oksana! Oksana! This is good.
Now we have some tea.
Yay!
A break from all the food.
Momma Hella, Momma Hella.
Momma Hella. Ah. Ah. He's good.
Really?
Very good.
You should sing. Do you sing?
Sing.
بس خليك حلو.
Where's the voice?
Really?
Show us the big voice.
Can you sing?
ها نعمل ايه؟ نعمل ايه؟
وانا ماشي على الطريق الزراعي اقفل يا امي اقفل الشباك close this window